I want to speak to you.
The National Weather Service of Templegate has issued a strong windstorm warning and a tornado warning for the following counties: Osteria, Dalton, Augustine, Watershed, Booster Peton Park, Waitai, Henrytown, Mason. At 1:37 p.m., a strong windstorm was located with tornadoes. Take shelter now. Move to a basement or a sturdy room or building, or stay inside if not in the path of a tornado. Buildings will be damaged or destroyed. A tornado warning and strong windstorm has been issued. A strong windstorm means a severe thunderstorm with strong winds. Do not drive in flooded roads or down lines. Flying debris will be dangerous. People will be dead without shelter. A tornado warning and strong windstorm has been issued. Repeat. A tornado warning has been issued. Drive cautious. Don't drive in flooded roads.